call in Telugu Modige flower, and there's a Modige tree. But look at the flower; it's a very beautiful orange color, and I don't know the scientific name. I have to look it up. But this was used for many medicinal purposes and for making holy and various things in the past. But it also had another use for the farmers in the past. This tree can predict when the rain will fall, whether the rainfall is early or late, and the quantum of rainfall also. It's a rough measurement. So these are the seeds of this Modige tree, and we are too early. The seed formation is just happening. But let's take a look at this. If it's like peas or beans, every pod should have a seed, but in this tree not all will have seed, some will be empty. Now if the seed formation is at the tip or at the last, then the rainfall will be delayed. If it is in the beginning part, then the rainfall is early. If it's in the middle, the rainfall will be on time. They also use it to measure. Sometimes there will be 2 seeds, rarely there will be full of seeds. So let's take a look at this. It is not fully formed, but let's plug this. You have a knife to cut it open? Let me. The seed is not fully formed, so I have to cut it open. When it's dry, it's easy to open it up. But now that it's not formed, actually you have to use a knife to open it up. So this is the end part. It's hanging like this. Looks like the seed is in the end part. So the seed, here. Here is the seed formed. See the seed? This is the seed of the Modige flower. Now this is at the tip. So the rainfall, according to old folklore or old science, I don't know what you want to call. So the seed is here and these are empty. That means there will be normal or slightly less rainfall, but and it will be delayed. So that's how the old farming techniques the farmers used to use that for. But see how beautiful this flower is. It's really, really, really beautiful. And just see how beautiful this is. Thank you.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, 10 మందికి షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే కామెంట్ల రూపంలో మీ అభిప్రాయాలను మాతో పంచుకోండి. నేషనలిస్ట్ హబ్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఛానల్స్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని తెలుగునాట జాతీయవాద జర్నలిజాన్ని ప్రోత్సహించండి. ఈ వీడియో కింద ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ పై క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు.